natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week in the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in positive MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we are in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. We have broken above the 200 moving average, this green line, at the price of $7.13. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $22.66, and that is this range here. My stop target is at $24.50. My stop loss is at $22.41. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $25.82, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $22.92, and my stop loss is at $27.22. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, natural gas has a 70% chance to climb between 0 to 7%. To the downside, it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7%, and a 33% chance to fall between negative 7 to negative 13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.